Hello, good morning guys. Today is Friday again, June 28, 2024, and the time now is 9:15. Temperature is about 38 degrees centigrade. It will increase up to 42 degrees during noon time, and afternoon it will be 43 degrees like that, and then start to go down again late afternoon until evening. We'll go and visit again our cat friends to feed them. Sun is very hot, not too much people in here. So on my backside, that is the place where my cat friends are staying. Hope they are ready to receive me today and to have their food. So let's go. So I think they are waiting for me now. Ming! There you go, Ming! Come here. So there is the mother. This is the mother, Miming. Where are your kids? Where are your kittens? Ming! Ming! Oh, see? Oh, you missed me. You missed me, right? Oh, so sweet. But I have another friend here, see? Little baby bird. I found it laying on the ground earlier. So there goes Blackie. This is another cat, Whitey. Hi, Blackie! Cutie! This is Cutie. And this is another cat. Hello! Where is Orange? Orange and Rainbow. Where are they? You've been waiting for me, right? It's 1 week now. June 28th. The last time we met was last Friday, last week. That was June 21. Okay. Ming! Hello! Say hello, Ming! So I will prepare for your food. Oh, there you go, there you go. There is Orange. Where is Rainbow? Last week, I did not see Rainbow and Blackie. Now Blackie is here, but Rainbow is missing. Cutie is here, now waiting for her food. Okay, come here. The kittens are now bigger. See? Only 1 week and you are bigger. But one is missing. Where is Rainbow? Cutie? Ah! Where are the other cats? Some cats are missing. Whitey? Gray, where is Gray? This is our chicken biryani. Amin. Here is my little baby bird, Lucky. She is inside the bag while I am feeding the cats. They are full now, these kittens. One kitten is missing. Rainbow is not here. This is Blackie. What happened to your eyes? Miming. And there is Whitey. And the other cat. Whitey! Here still we have him, no? Huh? Ming.